router set up here, got my soft limits set up. So what I've done is I've set up G5, which is an offset. So instead of it coming to home position here on G54, which is right this corner, I've set up this corner over here as X and Y and then Z, and it should come back right to this corner when I press go to 0, because it's basically going to be using this as a 0. So let's give it a try here, see what happens. And here it goes. And it went exactly where it was supposed to go. Exactly right on the money. That's pretty cool. So that's looking up. That's pretty cool. So now, if I go into my offsets and go back to G54, go back into the program and say go to 0. Now it's going to its 0 position, which is this corner right here. So that's the machine coordinates, which is 0, 0, and 0. So from there, you can set quite a few G's to whatever you want on your table. So if you were doing something quite often, you could set your blank or your board on the table and in the exact same position every time, and you'd go to your G55 or G58 or 7 or whatever. You'd say go to, and it would exactly go to the corner of your workpiece, providing it's the same size of workpiece. But if you're doing constant switching back and forth from different sizes of wood in a different location on the table, you could set that as another G. So you would just set your board down and select your G, which I don't know, 58, 59, whatever. Say go to, and it would automatically go to the corner of your board, whether it's here or whether it's over here, depending on how you honed it for that specific G. So it's pretty cool. It's doing its thing. So watch now. I'm gonna go back to G55 now. I moved my board, so it really doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go back to my offsets, select G55, go back to program run, and now I'm gonna say go to 0. Now it's gonna go back to where that board was in the exact same place. That's pretty cool.